Hi, I'm Dana Wilson with All-in-One Maid Service in Salt Lake City. Today we are at Towers Murray showroom to demonstrate how to remove mold and mildew from shower or bathtub caulking. To remove mold and mildew, you first have to understand that it's an actual living organism and it has to be killed in order to be removed. The most effective way to do this would be to spray bleach directly onto the caulking or problem area itself. Spray it kind of thick, just like this, go all the way down. And then obviously you let it soak and let it sit. You can do this for maybe 5 or 10 minutes and you'll actually visibly start to see all of the black and dark spots going away. And that's actually the mold and mildew dying. You want to take then a scrub brush after you've let it soak for maybe 10 minutes. Come back through, a toothbrush works great too, and you just scrub. And what this does is it removes all the debris, and there will be quite a bit of it. Obviously there's some caulking here for the demonstration, but this caulking is kind of needs to be replaced, and so you're not really going to see as effective results as you would on your own shower with real caulking. But you just take the toothbrush or your scrub brush, work it down, and there's going to be a lot of black debris coming off with it. After you've completed that step in scrubbing and removing the leftover debris from the mold and mildew, you want to wet down the area with your shower head, or you can also use spray mildew and mold remover and wipe it out with a paper towel. Make sure you dry the area really good because the moisture is what will always bring it back. Again, I'm Dana Wilson and I just demonstrated how to remove mold and mildew from shower and bathtub caulking.